Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking and watching. And if you are a returner, what's good? And we have a few more subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me, to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. It's like a boost of energy to keep on doing this. So thank you guys so much. Okay, before I ramble off, let's focus. So today's video is a tutorial. It's just the basics of makeup. I'll say makeup 101. And the focus of today's tutorial is foundation, your base. So I'm going to be going over, that's a mouthful. I'm gonna go over the basics of foundation, what you need to have a perfect base, a really nice looking base, natural looking. And I'm not gonna focus on the eyes or the brows or the lips. It's mainly just gonna be the base. So if you like to see more of me talking, if you like to see watch the tutorial, then keep on watching. I really hope it helps you. I really hope you really rock while you watch it. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy the video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you know when next I have a video up. And without any more drama, let's move on to the tutorial. God bless. So from my little knowledge of what I know of makeup, you need to start with a well moisturized face, especially if you have dry skin. I'm just gonna re-moisturize my face a bit with the Mario Badescu, if you can see it or no. The Mario Badescu rose water facial spray. Just a little just a little spritz of that to re-moisturize, rehydrate my face, because you don't want your face to be dry. Then the foundation is gonna look all scaly and dry also, especially if you're gonna be using powder. But yeah, and then you need your primer. So there's like this whole thing about, oh, do you really need primer, or do you not need primer, or do you just need moisturizer, or whatever. I don't know what the conclusion is, but I still use a primer just to have that extra barrier between my skin and the foundation, because foundation is chemical. You're putting chemical on your face. And the primer I'm using, or that I use, is the Lancome La Base. Can you see it? Mercy, what are you doing? I don't do stuff like this, so bear with me. It's the Lancome La Base, or La Base Pro, yeah. It's a perfecting makeup primer, smoothing effect. Bougie. Yeah, so just gonna apply. So after your primer, then you go into like concealers or excuse me, concealers or just straight foundation. So you wow, I can't believe it didn't record. I poured out my hearts in the recording and it did not record. Magic. Wow. Okay, so you've done your moisturizing. Yeah, you're moisturizing. You've moisturized and you've primed your face to prep your foundation to have something tacky to stick on, and then you've color corrected if you need to. I don't always do it, but once in a while I do, if I feel like the dark spots are gonna peek through. So I'm just gonna do a little. So I just dab it on. Do I remind you of someone? Orange. Anywho, so next, after you've color corrected, if you did, you move on to foundation. The foundation I'm going to use is the Super Balanced Clinique foundation. I've had this for a while, and sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. So when picking a foundation, you need to know and make sure that it's the right shade and it has the right undertones. And what I mean by undertones is it's not too warm or red like this, and it's not too cool or ashy, like makes your skin look gray. I got the new Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and I wore it twice. The first time I wore it, I didn't take any pictures, so I didn't really know what it looked like on me. And then the second time I wore it, I took a picture and I saw it was actually like more cool and ashy on me. It made me look kind of gray. So make sure you like notice, not too red, not too cool. And then you could be neutral also, which is like right in between. So make sure you know the right shade to use. So so I have the foundation, and for if you'd like to know, I'm in the shade 18 Silk Sable, in the shade 18. Alright, so this is a lot of talking for me. I don't talk, guys. Not as much as this. So I got my foundation, just a few dollops. Is that what it's called? I just banged it on the back of my hand and it came out. So yo, I don't know what's going on with my camera. It keeps stopping. It doesn't want to record me. Why don't you want to record me, camera? I've done the side with the sponge, and I'm gonna do the other side with a brush. And the brush I'm gonna use is the IT foundation brush number 1. Make sure you blend it into your hairline so there's not like a demarcation that, oh, she wear foundation. You can see the difference, the separation, like oil and water. And blend it into your ear also, and down your neckline. I don't do like the whole neck thing. As long as it curves down here, I'm good, because I'm not going to be walking like this for you to see my neck. I know, so I'm basically like this. So as long as it goes down and it's blended well, you're good. So after you're done blending, then you highlight and contour if you want to. And highlighting is basically just making your making your under eye area brighter, so everything isn't just blank. So with highlighting, you use a shade you use a shade lighter than your skin tone or than the foundation, and you dab it. I don't like to go too extremely light with my highlight because I don't like the whole bright under eye. And your chin. And that's basically it. You just set your under eyes, you set your contour, and you apply some pigmented highlighter if you want to. If not, you go back like that. And to set it, then you set it with a liquid setter. I'm using the setting spray by Kat Von D by Kat Von D, the Lock It setting spray. Alright, so that's it, guys. I just went ahead to do the rest of my face. I applied some lashes. The struggle. I applied some lashes and I just fixed my brows a bit and some lipstick. But that's it. Just to recap, make sure you moisturize well. You prime your face. Priming isn't a must, but it's good for that extra protection. And then you color correct if you need to. If you don't need to, you don't have to. And then you apply your foundation. So basically 3 to 4 steps depending on which one you do, or even 2 if you don't use a primer or if you don't color correct. So basically that. So for a good base, you need to moisturize well, prime, color correct if you need to, and then apply your foundation. Make sure it's the perfect shade. Not too light, not too dark, not too warm, not too red, not too cool, not too ashy or gray. Yeah, and then you conceal or highlight under your eyes and contour if you want to. If not, you just set your face with powder, not a lot of powder, just minimal, little bit. You can use a pressed powder and just rub your brush in, or your beauty blender, rub it in and just tap tap tap, bounce on your face, or blur it in if you're using a brush. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. It's my first time doing this, so bear with me. I hope it was helpful. And yeah, if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, just the basics, or if you'd like me to go more in depth, let me know also. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace.